Hey everyone, today I am here with this 2017 Ram 1500 Limited, and this thing is incredible. Sunroof, heated seats, it has a bed liner, bed cover, everything. It is amazing. So let's check it out. I am Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for the past 2 years. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this red exterior color. You have your chrome grille with that Ram badging. Love that design, just really focusing in on that Ram. And then you have your projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below that. This also has a front sensing system that will alert you to any objects in front of your vehicle. This has a 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine, so lots of power. And then looking down at your wheels, those are gorgeous 20-inch wheels. Love the design on those. Lots of tread on those tires as well. And then your badging is in chrome on the side for your HEMI and your Ram 1500. Your side mirrors are chrome capped and they have indicator lights on them, plus they are powered and heated. And then making our way up, you have these wheel-to-wheel running boards, so you can get up into the front seat, the back seat, and the bed super easily. Alright, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats that are heated and ventilated. Super comfortable, look really nice as well. Both sides are power adjustable. And then looking at your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped and heated. You have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls with media controls on the back. And looking over at your media center, it's an 8.4-inch touchscreen brought to you by Uconnect. You have your radio options right here. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. Then you have your media devices here, controls for your heated cooled seats, and your backup camera, so that's super helpful to use backing up, lining up a trailer. Really handy. Then you also have your apps with Uconnect here, so you can subscribe to those. It also has your settings and stuff as well, so really handy. Then you have your climate controls here. They are dual, so you can have different settings on each side. And then this also has navigation, so this will take you right to your destination using that map. And then you have your phone settings here, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth. So all of your buttons are down below for your climate controls. You also have your front and back sensing systems, all of your buttons for your seats and steering wheel, air suspension, traction control, and your tow haul mode. You have your four-wheel drive on that side and your 115 volt right there, so you can charge those larger items, bigger cords. You have your two cup holders here, 12 volt right there. That does close up so you can keep everything nice and organized. And then looking into your center console, you have two USB ports and an aux port, and then more room down below, so lots of space to keep all of your stuff. And then you have your Alpine sound system there, so you can have that amplified sound with the subwoofer. And then you have 911 assist, which is subscribable garage door openers, and then controls your power sliding rear window and your sunroof, so you can let fresh air just come into this truck. So let's look at the back seats. Okay, so looking at this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You have a cup holder on the second fold down with 2 cup holders there, and then there are 2 more on the floor. These seats are heated. You have your 2 heated buttons there with a 12 volt, and then you can fold up each side. Have some storage space underneath on the side and a subwoofer on that side. This also folds out so you can have some flat surface areas, and you have these 2 storage compartments in the floor, so you can take those out, clean them out, put them right back in. Super helpful. So making your way around the side, this does have lockable RamBox storage units. So these are located on the sides. You can lock them up, keep your tools safe if you want to keep them in your bed, but it also helps stuff not like roll around in your bed. Keep everything organized back here. So making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps and then your Ram badging tow package. And then let's look into the bed here. You have that bed liner and your bed cover, plus that cargo divider in the middle. Again, keep everything nice and organized back here. Everything's really protected, and so this truck is just amazing. That HEMI engine, you have your tow package, and that great interior with your heated cooled seats. So if you want to see this Ram 1500 or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.